Mrs. Officer. Mrs. Officer. Take him. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it to this dope ass car meet. We just pulled in. We parked the GTR right here. There's gonna be a bunch of sick cars today. I'm hyped. Look, we already got an E36 M3 as soon as we get here. That shit is beautiful. 240, 350Z. Is it 240? Or is that a R33? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go look. 370 Mustang. This is the homie with the Mustang that shoots crazy flames that literally burned my GTR. As a matter of fact, this is the same spot we were at in that vlog. Bro. Where'd you guys park?
There, about it. Parking there. There's like cones on there. Real quick. There's cones there.
Why is he so swagged out?
You hear me?
Yeah. Oh, it's Chris. Chris is 370. I didn't know that was you. Sheesh.
How you doing, brother?
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Car's looking good.
Thank you. Yours
Absolutely.
too. I like it.
I had to take the spot with lighting, so it looks good. They're gonna get your car before they get mine.
These guys are fighting about who's gonna get towed first, but like we got Alex Choi's Audi here. These things are sick, bro. The wagons, hard, bro. This one's nice. I love the color and the wheel setup on this one for sure. Anyways, my GTR actually looks really good right now. Porsche.
What's the difference? GT2, GT3, bro.
GT2 are like
they're more expensive, right?
Yeah, $200,000 more.
Why?
They have a turbo.
I would expect the 3 to be more because
And then
3 instead of 2.
God damn. Bro, that McLaren is sick. 720s are hard. You cannot deny that.
Do I match?
That's not your McLaren? I thought that was you. Yours is fire. My boy Chris is so stressed, bro. Why you stressed, bro? Everything's gonna be good.
I'm just trying my best.
That's the homie Chris. He owns Origins. And he's stressed, bro. Oh, shoot. Sick, bro. So clean. Sheesh. They about the wagon out. Look how it sounds. Coming out of a wagon? God damn. Oh, shit. Bro, every car is sick. Look at this Supra on CEs. Oh my god, bro. The sickest GTR ever. So beautiful. Shit. There's so much going on right now, bro. You think he's faster than me? I don't know. He looks fast, right? He probably paid like 20K for all his wheels. I swear, $20,000 probably for all his wheels. No way, Val's wrapped it, bro. Look at the new wrap. Way better. Looks so clean. If you guys remember Val's, he's that crazy GT3 RS driver. It used to be orange, but he just wrapped it. Like literally today, they finished it. And obviously it's satin black and it looks beautiful, bro. Like everyone's shipping out that it's wrapped. He hasn't even revealed it yet. He just pulled up to the meet. Oh my god, bro. RA's fire, bro. I want an RA so bad. Imagine.
Yo, we got Nick out here. Nick.
Oh. Ooh, this shit's clean. Satin black GTR. Well, the cars here are insane. Look, there's a Urus just chilling over there. Oh my god, more Lambos pulling up. Lambo G80, another GTR. Porsche back there. This is insane. This is insane, bro. Bro, this GTR is sick. Look at these wheels.
God damn. Nah, I don't like them. No, I like them better.
18s though, that's the way you gotta go.
Those are Advents on.
Bro, look at this Lambo. Look at the wheels. That shit's crazy. Look at all the lights he has. He has the lights in the wheels, in the engine bay. Sheesh. Look at this GTR, guys. Where the flames at? What's up, bro? How's it going? Sheesh. This thing spits crazy flames too. Maybe we'll see some today. You think his flames are bigger?
I beat him in a two-step comp, so it's on video. I'm just kidding, his flames are huge.
Both your guys' flames are crazy. No way about the camera mount. Bro!
God damn.
He literally came with the camera mount on the hood of the GTR. Name a better camera car right here. Film all the vlogs like this. I've never seen that before. Oh my god, bro, that's crazy. That's sick. Guys, just take a look at the street right now. Like the amount of supercars, bro. C8, Mercedes, 720. What is going on, chat?
Hold up.
Huracan, bro. Look at this. Beautiful, bro. All white. White on white. I think he has white interior too. M3 F80. That's a CS, I think. Very expensive with BBS wheels. McLaren's, bro. Aventador. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, this is insane. Oh my god, this is a gold, this is a gold chrome Lambo. Wow, bro, that is obnoxious. Oh my god, they literally had to block the road because it just got ridiculous. Like, you can't even pull in. Guys, look, more Aventadors pulled up. What the fuck, bro? It's the SB. Look at this lineup. Guys, literally, what car are you taking right now? There's millions of dollars of cars right now in this little ass Carmeet, bro. What is going on, bro? Performante. The top of the line Huracan you could buy. SV. Literally my dream cars. You can hear this shit idling. Just sounds crazy. So loud, bro. God damn. No way it's the R34 too, bro. What is going on, guys? We're in car heaven right now. Look at this. Add another GTR in the back. Bro, I don't know what's going on. R34 is just chilling here. Oh my god. Sounds so sick. Right hand drive. This shit is beautiful. What's up, bro? What would you guys rather take, the R34 or one of these Lambos? I don't know. It's crazy that they're like almost the same price as these Lambos right now. This might be one of the sickest meets I've been to. Look at these cars. Uh-oh. Look who just pulled up. Oh shit, look what else just pulled up. The girl's just casually eating an ice cream in a 2JZ. Oh my god, the cops pulled up at the worst time. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. I think the time has finally come. Uh-oh, the cops pulled up hot. I'm vlogging. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hella cops pulling up. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, even highway patrol. But literally highway patrol pulled up. Sheriffs, highway patrol, everything.
Yeah, I couldn't catch me the other night.
I'm not stepping out of here, bro. These cops are ready to ticket everybody. Look at this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think there's like 9 to 10 cops, guys. This is crazy. And there's literally sheriffs, police, CHP, every single department is out here, bro. Look at that. That's an undercover one right there. Oh, hell no. There's definitely a lot of cops. I've never seen this many cops at one car meet in my life, bro.
I gotta ask him about my state rep because I never received anything in the mail
He's gonna ask right now.
San Diego courthouse.
Go ask the girl for her number.
Sorry, all right.
If you guys remember the last video, the lights were on in here. And look, now the lights are off. I'm probably gonna have to throw some music. What's up, bro? How are you? I'm good, I'm good. You remember me?
No shit. Who don't remember you, bro?
Oh my god, guys, look how many people are here. Huracan. Damn, guys. This shit is sick. Guys, like the cops are over here looking at the meet. They're really cool, actually. I don't think they're tripping. Mrs. Officer. Mrs. Officer.
Take me now.
Take David, please. I wish cops would be able to see that, like, we're not takeover cars. You see, like, these are not. You want to see these cars that know takeover, bro. This is a very organized meet. No one's revving it. No one's doing donuts. No one's doing crazy stuff. So hopefully the cops are able to see that. I hope. Guys, look at this dog. No way, bro. About the dog. Oh my god, bro. Ow! That shit literally hurts. Literally hurts, bro.
Hey, get closer.
No, I can't get closer, bro. Watch out. I'm scared, bro. Oh, Bro, that might be the loudest two-step I've ever heard. Like, two-steps are loud, but this one's on another level, bro. My God, that shit literally made me deaf, bro. Oh my God, bro. That literally hurt. Like, it hurts. That's no joke. Bro, that shit on fire. What? I'm gonna die, bro. I can't explain how loud that is. I'm sure. I know it doesn't pick up on camera. Oh my God, that shit is loud, bro. Guys, I legit have an instant headache from that shit. Oh my God, bro.
Sorry, I thought.
Instant headache, dude. My head is ringing. Two steps are loud, but that one was on another level. Sheesh. My ears hurt, guys. They're taking the rolls, bro.
Go.
David's been practicing or what?
Yeah, David's been practicing.
Thumbnail poses, guys. Oh, I just crashed my car. What else? What else? Oh, new car.
New car.
Look at this guy. He's hella low, bro. Scraping the back. How do you scrape the rear bumper? Oh, it's gonna come off, bro. That did not sound too good. God damn, that shit is low. You can smell the E85, guys. But no flames.
You just can't go wrong with those cars, though.
They're sick, huh? GTRs are hard, bro. How am I gonna sell mine? You guys want me to sell mine?
Hell yeah, I do.
90K? BK 90K.
100K. I need 100K, bro. 100K, I think I'll sell it. But anything under, I don't think I can let it go, guys. That shit's just so sick. It's like, it's a GTR, bro. Alright, guys, let's say all the cars are heading. My favorite car. Bro. My favorite sounding car, guys. Look how this shit sounds, guys. So loud, bro. Sheesh. I missed the revving. McLarens do sound good. All you hear is like the big old turbos. Red or gray? Which one are you guys taking? You guys know I'm taking the red, 100%. Damn. Oh, it's not a Pista. I thought it was a Pista, bro. I don't know my Ferrari. I literally do not know my Ferraris, guys.
Isn't a Pista like $500?
Yeah, I thought they were a Pista. This is a Pista, 100%.
Oh, yeah.
That's a Pista. Yeah, look at the hood.
Baller car?
Baller, bro. God damn, that shit's sick. So many supercars here, bro. Like, how much money worth of cars are here? Why did I bring mine? My shit at Sheepy Race right now.
How much?
Getting 2,000 pack. Bro, the music's so loud, bro. But oh, look at the cops' reaction to this. Look at it.
That's a sick ass thumbnail.
Damn, bro. By the way, if you guys haven't watched my last video, 2 JZs in a Lambo with a big ass turbo. One of the craziest car builds ever. Look at the turbo. Anyways, guys, the meet's coming to an end. Everybody's out. It was really sick. Hopefully I filmed enough. I hope. Crazy ass cars though, GT3s. Where are the flames?
I guess I can't do them.
Can you adopt me? That shit is hard as satin black, bro. Way better than the orange. 100%, bro.
Oh, yeah. Where are we going?
Damn, bro. Look at this shit. I told you it's crazy planes. Mine won't do that, bro.
You feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.